Gov, tanong ko na rin din po, kamusta po yung mga flood control projects dyan po sa inyong lugar? Meron po ba tayong problema? Kasi yan po yung mainit na usapin ngayon, at hindi pa po masyado napupuntahan lahat yung may mga problema tungkol sa flood control nila. Baka ma-update niyo po
Yes
kami.
po. Ma'am Angela, actually, I have reported these projects actually to the President when we were invited in Malacanang, yung mga governors po. Kasi actually, meron po ditong mga mahirap pong magsabi coming from the provincial government po, no? Kasi the implementing agency is DPWH. Pero meron kami ditong, for us, our ghost projects. Kasi, ang nakita namin, based sa kanilang date ng pagtrabaho, dapat completed na sila by this year, by last year. Pero ang iba ngayon pa lang nagsisimula yung pagtrabaho. Meaning to say, these are ghost projects, di ba po? Although we have informed the national government already, ang DPWH, nakapagbigay na rin tayo ng reports. So hopefully mabisita po tayo nila at some point. I think Secretary Vince Dizon mentioned it in one of his hearings in the Senate regarding yung flood control controversy that Eastern Samar meron na pong report. So naibigay na po natin ng reports sa kanila. If I'm not mistaken, I think there are six.
How many? Ayan,
six
six.
areas dito na
Oo.
na
Nabisita niyo na po ba yun, Gov?
Ghost project. Yes po.
Nabisita niyo na po ba yun, Gov? Yung six ghost project?
Sorry
Flood
po,
control.
nag-cut po yung una niyo pong sinabi.
Nabisita niyo na po ba yung 6 na flood control projects na sa tingin po ninyo ay ghost?
Yes po. Actually, 8 po kasi yung flood control projects. Based lang po na nakita namin sa DPWH website. Diretsong pinapunta ko po yung ating engineering team. Pati rin ako personally, napuntahan ko po yung, yung mga flood control projects na to. No? Mayroon talagang problema kasi halatang walang nagtatrabaho eh.
So,
Yung iba nagsimula lang after mag-pop up yung balita.
Yes,
Kaya
yes.
it is a very problematic thing. Lalo na sa amin na may areas that are flood prone na may ganitong klaseng kalokohan dito sa aming probinsya.
Yeah,
Talaga
Gov.
nakakabahala po siya, Mama Angela.
I'd like to touch up on that a little kasi we've spoken to several LGUs. Ang naging problema daw nila sa DPWH, nag-FYI lang, hindi daw humihingi ng proper documentation or proper approval to conduct yung scope of work. Sa area ng concern nyo po, ganun po ba ang problema sa DPWH din?
Actually, yes po. I think that will be common in almost all LGUs because the DPWH is a national government agency, no? Karamihan po kasi ng national government agencies, they just inform the LGUs that they will be conducting their programs, their projects pagdating po sa LGU level. Most of the time, wala na pong say yung LGU po, no? Pero meron ring mga pagkakataon in other agencies such as DSWD, DOLE, sa mga binibigay po nila sa amin ng mga ayuda or kanilang mga programa na i-inform po kami beforehand. But when it comes to DPWH, based on my experience, no, currently as a governor and previously as a board member, wala po talagang
Proper coordination.
pakikipag-ugnayan po, no, sa LGU. Talagang nagsasarili lang po talaga sila. And I think you'll find that common, no, with most LGUs na ganyan po yung talagang problema na
Which is
hinaharap
dapat
namin.
maayos nila. Pero
Wait,
Gov,
go.
I wanna know lang kasi nabanggit mo kanina na flood control project siya na naiwan na dapat naigawa na pero ngayon parang ngayon pa lang sila nagsisimula. You mean to say, Gov, as we speak, nung kailan nyo po nalaman na gumagawa sila ulit? Meron po bang mga tao doon ulit ngayon na ginagawa yung projects na yun?
Okay po, ma'am. Sige. So, ganito po yung timeline. No, around August, we discovered that there were, actually before August, meron kaming idea of a project. Although since it is DPWH, it was out of the scope of the LGUs.
Right.
No? So, around August, no, parang bumulusok na talaga yung problem ng flood control. A lot of individuals, our netizens po, as they say, naglabas po sa social media na ganito-ganyan. Merong mga flood control dito, flood control dyan. So ako, right after that, binisita po natin, nag-research kami sa DPWH website, lahat ng flood control projects, actually pati doon to sa sumbong sa Pangulo, makikita po dyan lahat. Tapos, ang nakita po namin, meron kasi dyan completed rate, completed percentage.
Yes.
Oo.
Doon sa isang project, nakalagay doon 80% complete na siya. Pag bisita namin, nagtanong kami doon sa mga trabahante, kasi simula pa lang nila magtrabaho, the
Wow.
day na dumating po kami. So, medyo concerning, di ba?
Yeah.
Ang start ng project was 2024 and it was supposed to be finished in January. This is a project in Hernani, Eastern Samar, in Barangay Garawon. And there is another project in Soong, Llorente, also Barangay Soong in Llorente, na same lang rin yung period po ng pagtatrabaho nila. Pero the problem is, yun nga, nung pumutok lang sa social media, doon lang nagtrabaho
Tsaka
yung
lang nagtrabaho.
mga contractors. And actually, I'm getting more info from this, but based on our initial reports, the companies or the construction companies
Yun,
that
I was
are
gonna ask that.
that have the projects here are Discaya companies, no? So yung, I think it's YPR. I think that's under their branch of companies po na nahawakan po nila. So talagang very alarming po ito na umabot po dito sa Eastern Samar yung mga ganitong flood control
Oo, ngayon
project.
sila nagkukumahog. Pakidagdagan na lang po, dalawa pa lang po yung nabanggit nyo na allegedly flood control
Yes po,
projects.
meron pa po sa Taft, meron rin po sa Dolores. I have the data here
Sige
on my
nga po.
phone. If we have the time, I can look it up. Kasi I
Sige
don't
po,
have it on
pasend
the
na
top
lang
of my
po
head
sa
right now.
amin.
No, kasi
Oo.
yung focus ko po ngayon is actually yung bagyo po.
Yes.
Yes po, opo.
But meron po sa Barangay Garawon, Batang to Garawon, Hernani, Barangay Hinolaso Dolores, Barangay Malinaw Taft, Barangay San Pablo Taft, Barangay Siha, Borongan City, Barangay Soong Llorente, and Barangay Gamot Oras. Although, not all of these are ghost projects. Based on the reports, meron naman po ditong mga natrabaho na mga flood control projects. Kaya hindi rin namin ma-determine naman in terms of how it was done, kung standard ba siya or substandard, because we don't have the detailed
The details
engineering
nito.
design po, yung DEB, kasi DPWH po yung nakahawak dyan. So, yun lang po yung problem namin.
Right,
Our
right,
report
right.
is, it couldn't be completed. We only have here initial reports of what we can see with our
Yeah.
eyes. But if we compare it to the main design, hindi po namin makuha
That's
yan
true.
kasi it's under DPWH.
Okay.